This issue, healthcare reform, is not a luxury. It's not something that I want to do because of campaign promises or politics. This is a necessity. This is something that has to be done. We cannot avoid bringing about change in our healthcare system. Soaring healthcare costs are unsustainable for families, they are unsustainable for businesses, and they are unsustainable for governments, both at the federal, state, and local levels. All across the system, what you are seeing are skyrocketing premiums. You are seeing people who are getting caught up in loopholes and end up not having coverage that they thought they had. We have a system here in the United States which is spending more money per capita than just about any other industrialized or advanced nation, and yet we're actually seeing worse healthcare outcomes in many cases. And to give you a sense of what we're looking at down the road if we don't initiate serious reform, 1/5 of our economy is projected to be tied up in our healthcare system in 10 years. 1/5. Millions more Americans are expected to go without health insurance if we don't initiate reform right now. And outside of what they're receiving for health care, workers are projected to see their take-home pay actually decrease if we don't get a handle on this. So we can't afford to put this off. And the dedicated public servants who are gathered here today understand that, and they are ready to get going. And this window between now and the August recess, I think, is going to be the make or break period. This is the time where we've got to get this done. As we move forward on health care reform, it is not sufficient for us simply to add more people to Medicare or Medicaid, to increase the rolls, to increase coverage, in the absence of cost controls and reform. Now, let me repeat this principle. If we don't get control over costs, then it is going to be very difficult for us to expand coverage. These two things have to go hand in hand. Another way of putting it is we can't simply put more people into a broken system that doesn't work.